Figma changed the way I work. It's way more smooth to not, switch between tools. Day-to-day design, life and work is easier.
It's been a game changer. It's brought collaboration directly in-house. Prior, all of our systems were outside, kind of all over the place. So from a design operations perspective, being able to get multiple stakeholders inside one file asynchronously. I think we've got transparency and some traceability to design decisions. Being able to get in there and figure out how did this layout change? What was the dialogue that kind of came from that? Having that is already enriched process and kind of communication across the entire organization.
I can sleep in peace knowing that design files are not lost. I remember the nightmares of, oh my god, do we have this old design of this old page because we need it now because our priorities changed and this is all of a sudden important again. We used to do all these GitHub hacks in the past of we're committing files and then making sure that things were still fitting together when we committed them. And yeah, it's great to not have to worry about that anymore.
Figma as well have the password protections, meaning that you can share with people, but only to people that you wanted to invite to Figma. So this is actually a very powerful tool.
Auto layout and components just made my whole life a lot easier. I was working with other tools in the past that I just had to create everything from scratch again and again. And just having those two things saved 50-60% of my time every day.
The fact that we have libraries, it's so much easier to just pull the component from a set of assets that we have. And we don't have to copy and paste everything from older designs or older files that we don't use anymore. So it's much easier to make everything consistent. Having these libraries are amazing. I feel like Figma makes our lives easier.
Figma has basically opened up a whole world for us in terms of collaboration, in terms of our design system, the speed at which we can actually iterate on our designs and on our concepts has been just remarkable. I think the other thing that has really changed my life is the Figma community and the support that the company offers to its users, to its customers. Such a special kind of welcoming into such a big and broad community.